kids, Miss Melissa here. Have you signed up for our summer challenge yet? If you have, yay, I'm so excited. If you haven't, that's okay. Our challenge starts next week, and you can find more information about it on the children's page of the East Greenwich Free Library website. You can find all the information for how to participate and where you can sign up. This is the first year ever that we can complete the entire program online, which is super cool. But that's not what I'm here to talk about today. Today I'm here because it has been a long time since we've done a craft together, and I thought it's about time we do another. So today we are going to learn how to make monsters! Just kidding. These are very friendly monsters. In fact, see, they've got these nice big long arms. That's because these monsters are for giving hugs. That's right, these are hug monsters. And this is a great craft because not only does it give lots of room for creativity, and it's a fun craft to keep at home, but it's also a great craft to give as a gift. And with us all practicing social distancing these days and not being able to see all of our friends and family that we love, or even if we are able to see them, not able to give them the hugs that we want to give them, this can be a great little gift to give, especially with Father's Day coming up this weekend. So now, follow along with me as we learn how to make our very own hug monsters. Materials. For this project, you will need colored paper, scissors, a glue stick, tape's also helpful if you have some, crayons, markers, or colored pencils for decorating, a regular pencil, and if you have some, googly eyes can be a lot of fun. Step 1. Draw and cut out your monster. Think about what shape you want your monster to be. Don't worry about the arms or legs, we're going to get to those later. For right now, just draw out the shape of the body of the monster. Once you've got it drawn out, you can cut it and get ready for the next step. For parents with younger kids who might not draw their own monsters, you can prep this for them and draw your own monster and get it cut for them. Step 2. Trace and cut out the arms and hands. Now you're going to take a piece of paper, and instead of just tracing your hand on the paper, you want to make sure you trace your hand and forearm. That's going to help make that monster hug for you. If you want your monster hug to be extra big, you can tape a couple of pieces of paper together and trace your full arm, but as long as you've got the forearm, that should be good enough. Once you've got everything traced, go ahead and cut them out. Step 3. Trace and cut out toes or feet. You'll see here we chose to just trace some toes because we didn't want our monster's feet to be too big. You could also trace a full foot, or you could just freestyle your own monster foot just like you did for the body. It's totally up to you. Once you have the shape drawn out, go ahead and cut. Step 4. Glue or draw monster eyes. We had a variety of googly eyes in our house, so we are using a whole bunch of them to decorate our monster. You can put as many or as few eyes on your monster as you like, and if you don't have googly eyes, you can always draw eyes. Step 5. Decorate your monster. Now is the time to bust out those crayons or markers and decorate your monster however you would like. You can give it stripes or polka dots or maybe a smile. We wanted to make some noses, so we cut out some circle noses with scrap paper. Anything that you want to do, and it's not limited to the monster body. Go ahead and decorate those arms and feet as well. Step 6. Attach arms and feet. Now you're going to flip your monster body over, and on the back side, you can use tape or glue to attach your arms and your feet. And now you're all done. Great job! Now you can keep your monster friends at home with you, or you can give them to somebody as a gift, maybe somebody that you've been wanting to give a hug to recently. To any fathers or grandfathers out there watching, happy Father's Day this weekend.